Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Pure Force Outdoors. We're currently on the way to the coast. Me and Mama's in the car here. We're heading down right now. Dad and the rest of them's already down there. I'll get to y'all on them when we get there, but we're gonna get down there for y'all, get a little footage, and we're gonna see how it goes. We'll let you know. Alright guys, it's 5:15 right now. We're heading on our way to the ferry. We got about an hour and a half, but we'll be there soon, and I'll get back to y'all when we get there, let you know we made it. Alright guys, we made it. We're across on the ferry. We're getting everything loaded up. We're gonna head out. We got both the trucks here. Now I'm gonna tell y'all who's all sponsored in this video this week. Not sponsored. We're gonna show off a few people. It's my grandpa, my Uncle Richard, my Uncle Jason, my dad, my mom, and me. We're here till Wednesday. We're gonna try to get y'all some live action. We're gonna get back to you later. We're gonna try to get to a spot. See you there. Spot number 2, we're at the point of the island. We came all the way. Spot number 1, we caught a few small fish, nothing really big. I caught one skate. I'll show y'all some pictures of everything we caught later, but we're at the point, spot number 2. Gonna try to get it done. Jason's got a good fish. Jason's got a good fish. Right here. Get the bait. That's a drum. That's a drum. Drum! Alright guys, day one is in the books. As y'all can tell, we caught a lot of fish, a lot of smaller fish. Me and Jason managed to rack up 2 drum. I caught a skate, but that's about the biggest it got today. Hopefully we're going to get on a few bigger fish tomorrow. The weather's going to lay down a little bit better. It's really windy today. Y'all might can tell by my face I'm really windburned. But we're going to try to get on them tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, it's day 2 out here at Cape Lookout. We've been out here for about 15 minutes getting set up. We're about to throw some rods in the water, gonna see what we can get done. Went and caught some bait fish a little bit ago, so hopefully we can get on a little bigger fish today, a little more fish. So the water's laid down a lot. So we're gonna see what happens. I'll get back to you. Alright guys, day 2's a wrap. We caught a few fish today. We caught some flounder, whiting, pompano, sea trout, drum, you name it, we caught it. Not a bad day overall. Could have been better, could have been worse. But we're going to see what happens in the morning. Going to eat a little supper right now, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the fishing trip. End of day 3 today. I'm not gonna lie, it was really slow. We caught I caught a good whiting early. Dad caught a puffer fish. That's about all for the eating until me and Jason came up here on the point. We waited out about waist deep for more than 2 hours. I never got a bite till the end and caught a blue. Jason caught a keeper drum though, about 19 inches, so that was good. I'm drenched right now, but it is what it is. I'll get back to y'all later at the cabin. See you there. Alright guys, we're heading back across on the ferry. All in all, not a bad trip at all. Caught a few fish, not as many as we did last year, but the weather has not cooled down yet, so the bait fish really ain't moved to the bank. But like I said, not a bad trip. We're heading back across right now, gonna try to head home.